Dear Lord, this is a worst day ever to record for me because I had plans. It's Saturday today. I was about to wake up early in the morning, finish the script that I wrote. It's not even a script, it's like some topics in general, so I know what to talk about, and it's not gonna work today. The reason being, me. My fault, my bad. My plan for today was wake up early, finish the script, start recording, talk whatever I want to talk about, then go out with Julian, clean a bit, prepare myself a meal, and spend evening time on the couch, editing, polishing the video, but it's not gonna work. It's 1 a.m. and I just rolled out of the bed. For some reason I couldn't sleep tonight. I was watching some horrible movies, and by horrible I mean like C-class movies. Let's say B. I don't want to insult Anaconda 3 or 4 producers. I rated C-class movie. It's probably B. But anyways, I watched Anaconda 3 and 4 tonight. I think it's 3 and 4. I don't know. With Gimli in it, with that actor that plays Gimli. What a fall of an actor, Jesus. I mean, he is a great actor, right? But those movies, oh my God. I just couldn't sleep through the night. I watched those horrible movies. I thought if I'll play a horrible movie, just ridiculously bad movie, I'll just fall asleep, but I didn't. Then Julian awoke around, 5 a.m. He usually wakes up once a night, 4 or 5 a.m. Feeding, I fed him, I put him back to sleep. I played another horrible movie. I don't even remember which one was it. And I watched it. I watched another one. Then I went to sleep around 9 a.m. 4 hours ago. It's going to be a horrible day because I need to change my plans. First of all, I have no time anymore to finish the script, which is not a script, but I already told you about it. I need to clean inside, floor, dust, kitchen, bathrooms, because my friends are coming afternoon. They are about to see Julian for the first time, so I can't really tell them no, and I really don't want to because they probably have some gifts for Julian. I want those gifts. So what I will do for today is I actually need to do it. I'll just take you, which is a phone, right, on a stand. It's not you personally. I'll just take you with me for those tasks that I need to do today. I need to start with a dinner probably or something. We shall do it together and I'll be talking. I probably won't say anything new or anything that I didn't mention on the channel before. So today's video is going to be about me doing things that you've already seen in this channel, and you will listen to things that I already said on this channel. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I mean, my brain is not braining yet. But from the other hand, there's not a chance I won't repeat myself, because I probably already said everything that I wanted to say on this channel, and I probably showed you everything that I wanted to show you on this channel, so I would have to delete it. I'm not doing that. So I guess it's change of plans. Record for you, and this will take me forever anyways, because as you probably noticed on this channel, doing things as a wheelchair person takes you way more time. And by way, I mean way more time. And I need to record those for you, which adds. So I'll just do everything I can to record something for you for tomorrow, for Sunday's video. And I just hope I won't fall asleep on a couch while editing it in the evening time. I'm just wondering right now, how did that happen that I'm unemployed, I'm on benefits, and I have no time? Jesus. But anyway, as you probably noticed, no, actually you didn't notice, because these are all videos that I started doing with ChatGPT. I hired ChatGPT to help me with descriptions and thumbnails, because they were bad before. I really underestimated how important it is on YouTube, because some of those videos, actually most of them, were flat already, right? No one is watching them anymore. When I uploaded them, YouTube tried to push it, but they were not very good, so it stopped. But yeah, when you watch this video, you can go back and scroll down to the latest videos, to the oldest one actually, see the results. I know it's not perfect. I mean, this description is, I believe, perfect. Not perfect, but it's like really SEO optimized, YouTube optimized, But those thumbnails, they are not perfect. But from the other hand, I didn't have anything to work with. As I said, I underestimated how important it is, and I didn't take any good pictures or anything. Apparently, it's not how it works. Apparently, it's not how it's supposed to be. So I'll do it better. It takes me some time, because before it was just a right screenshot from a video. Right now, it has to be like better. And I'm still not very good with those prompts, those AI prompts. But I will improve, and I will improve those thumbnails. I will improve this channel from the bottom up to here, to today's video. One day, maybe I'll even start doing those, YouTube faces. Like you have a stroke or something. Because apparently it works. It has to work, because There are millions of channels doing that and it works, but I hate it. But anyways, I have no more time to talk with you. I will while doing those tasks that I need to do. I'm really sorry, my brain is not really braining yet. I just awoke. I just rolled out of the bed and I realized I'm fucked. So I'll just brush my teeth and I'm starting the day. Let's go. So before I start preparing a dinner, I think I have a pork belly planned for today. Or a bacon, I don't know, I don't remember. I need to clean this mess a bit. So it's gonna be sterile, you know? Yeah, I'll just do it in a time lapse. Actually, I was about to talk, so no time lapses yet. So first thing, maybe for the very beginning, I probably said it already, but as a wheelchair person, when I'm getting close to a countertop, this is the max that I can reach without bending myself. That's like, I don't know, I'm missing like 40 centimeters. I can move forward a bit on my wheelchair to increase it a bit, but it's still half of the countertop, which is like, I don't know, 60 centimeters. I'm still missing those 30 centimeters. So everything you do on a countertop as a disabled person, it needs to start with leaning forward. And it's fine if you need to do it like once or twice, but with this hand, I'm supporting myself and so I won't fall off the chair. So, you know, there's more struggle to everyday life. Even the cleaning process is complicated. It's different actually and more exhausting. I also forgot, I got myself this lamp. This one's USB charged, battery powered. Seems like a lovely device actually. You can switch the warmth of the light. You can change the power of the light as well. So I hope it will help me with recording my face. You know, I don't know if it's better or worse. Why am I doing this to myself? But yeah, improvements. So I look like a model now. See? Should be way better. I don't know, I'll just check the result later on. There's tons of light outside anyway, because it's sunny day. And the only sunny day in 2 weeks' time I'm gonna spend, well, inside. Anyways, I'll just finish the countertop so I have some room to prepare the food, and I'll return to you in a sec. Does it even work? It has to. They sell it for a reason, right? I actually have an idea. You may ask, Chris, why are you wearing shoes inside your house? Are you not disabled? Aren't we paying your benefits so you sit on a wheelchair and not wearing your shoes? The answer is yes and no. I didn't clean inside. I didn't vacuum nor mop for like 3 days already. And it's winter time, so there's sand and salt from the outside and I'm bringing back on my wheels, right? I'm using some, you know, kind of a brush or something to clean my wheels before I enter the house. But there's still something. When I'm transferring myself on a couch, for an example, my feet are sliding on the floor. And one of the things that I hate the most in this world are dirty socks. I hate those, you know, especially as a wheelchair person. My socks are in perfect shape for years. I can use them for years. So I just don't want my socks to get dirty. I just realized I sound like a psycho probably. I'll keep doing that anyways. I left it on top. I got it. There you go. I hope it is helpful, because I don't see anything right now. If you watched my previous episodes, you probably know that I shouldn't be eating this because of the issues with the cholesterol and issues with the blood pressure I'm having. But I still will. And you just witnessed another problem with disabled people. Since I'm not standing and I'm not able to hold my knife this way, you know, with my wrist bent this way, I need to do it this way. It's not painful, but it's not efficient. I would love my kitchen cabinets to be lowered on my knees level, but it's not happening. I don't live alone. I live with my female character. We need to find balance between each other. Now let's cut the skin so it looks nicely on a video. I should have sharpened it before I start doing cooking video. There you go. Can you see how my wrist is working? I said it's not painful, but it quite is. Like, you need to do it this way, like you tyrannosaur or something, like a dinosaur. I messed up. I mean, looks ugly, but I don't mind. It definitely is painful, especially with the blunt knife. Right, one is done. It's gonna be lovely. Jesus, I'm tired. I know I look like a butcher now, but it's fully on me. I should have sharpened those. It is really painful. Right, this will do. How am I supposed to stop recording now? I'll wash my hands first. Another thing with disabled people. If your hands are covered in grease, you need to push yourself with the push rims to the sink to wash it. And by pushing yourself with push rims, you're leaving that grease on the push rims themselves, right? It's a never-ending story. This was half of a liter of a broth. Ugh. So as you noticed just a second ago, every time I need to use two hands to put anything in the oven, I need to get down on the floor level, which makes sense when you consider from the waist up, I'm really strong, but legs are not providing any support. So I can't really lean forward, sideways, whatever. I need to hold myself to the chair. So that's the main reason. Also, this one's not an advertisement of any kind, but I finally got myself one of these. So now I have 3 vacuum cleaners. But yeah, this one is a game changer for disabled people. It's really convenient for many reasons. It has no cord, that's the first one. So you don't struggle, you know, all around. Second, it has no hose, which is also convenient. Because you've seen me before in a cleaning episode. Was it a cleaning episode? I don't really remember. But you've seen me before and you've seen what kind of struggle is it to use hosed and piped ones. So this one's way better. Especially now in the winter time when I'm returning home. And all that salt and sand coming from the road that I'm bringing inside, I can clean it instantly. This is a game changer for disabled people. I don't really know why I was refusing to get it for so long, to be honest. I have no clue. I was just stubborn and stupid. I didn't want the third one in my house. This one's some cheap brand from China, obviously. Isn't everything from China these days? I think I've paid like 50 euro for it, 60 maybe, I don't remember. But yeah, time is running out. I think I have to clean. Yep, let's go for it. So you may wonder, why am I doing mopping from the sink instead of a bucket like regular human beings do? So I've studied your behavior and it won't work for me. First, if it would be a regular bucket with like a regular mop, I would have to get off the chair every time I'm squeezing it, right? It's not squeezing, it's, you know, get rid of the excess water in the mop. So that's a no-go. There are some different models. The one that you know squeezes itself if you push it, or just, you know, spins. I shouldn't be doing that movement with my hand right now. But anyways, you know, there are different solutions for it, but they are faulty. They are breaking from time to time. You know what doesn't break? The sink doesn't break. It's on my level. I don't have to do anything else. Right? Let's clean the floors. Let's dry my hands first. If your mother ever slapped you for stepping on a wet floor with your dirty shoes or whatever, doing it with the wheelchair is even worse. Because it leaves those, you know, 4 wheels lines. So I gotta wait now. Alright, let's have some potatoes to the dinner. I'm quite late. It's gonna be fine. And one more thing about the potatoes. I always do it by the sink because it's convenient. The other option would be to have a bucket between your legs, right? But I can't have it between my legs because I'm sitting on a wheelchair. So I would need a bucket in front of me. But then I would have to peel this way without being able to rest my hands. That would be exhausting. So I can rest my elbows on a sink and do it this way. I always need to peek a bit to see how much of it is left in the sink, because I can't see it from my perspective. There's one more. Right, it's time to lay on the floor again. Let me show you what I have for now. This is the beauty that I have for now. Time to add some potatoes to it. Jesus. I totally forgot I need to charge my car battery. I'm so exhausted. But here's an annoying part that I just realized. In order to get it out of the car, I need to change myself fully, including shoes, right? Because as a normal person, you can just get close to a car, right? Bend a bit and lift it. And I can't. I need to literally lay on the car in order to do that. Because I'm sitting by it, right? And when I'm sitting by it, there's a high chance, high probability that I will touch the wheel or other dirty part with my shoes or my trousers, right? And I can't carry it back to my house with a hand, just like that, right? I need to put it on my laps. There are so many things that disability, that wheelchair complicates. I'm not really thinking about it, you know? But from time to time it annoys me that in order to do a simple task, I need to prepare myself. But yeah, it won't do itself. What about the trash? And now I need to clean all that sand. You know what else is funny? Wearing gloves as a wheelchair guy, it's not really protecting my hands from dirt. It actually makes my hands dirty. Let me explain. When I was touching all that grease, all that dirt under the bonnet, right? Under the hood, I have it on my gloves now. But guess what? As you can probably imagine, in order to move myself anywhere, somewhere, I need to push my chair, I need to push my push rims. So all that grease right now is on push rims. So whenever I'm taking off my dirty gloves, I need to clean my push rims as well. I swear it's a never-ending story. I need a cleaning service. Let me show it to you. Right, I'm running out of time. The evening time, when my friends are coming, arrived sooner than I expected. Off camera, I did some additional cleaning like the rest of the flat. So as you can see, as a disabled person, life can be difficult in many ways. I know it sounds like I'm whining right now, but the truth is that I'm not really thinking about it. I got used to my life as it is right now. I got used to that cleaning a house takes me like 3 hours instead of like an hour. It's my regular life. But if I think about it more, then I can make a story about it. Then I can tell you what the difference is. Like with the car battery a couple of minutes ago. It took me 40 minutes and my car is in front of my block. 40 minutes in total, right? I need to change myself. I need to clean after myself when I return home. I guess what I'm trying to say is that being a disabled person is a waste of time. Don't be disabled. That's my message for you today. I really gotta go now. I need to take another shower. I have to eat something. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share the social media stuff, please. Don't forget to watch my other videos. That helps me a lot. Just press all playlist and start from the very bottom. If you want to support me, you can visit my GoFundMe, Patreons. What else do I have? Buy me a coffee. Yeah, I really gotta go now. See you next week.